Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can arrange a flower bouquet in the Trust and Press game of Roblox new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to arrange a flower bouquet, you need to go to the flower bouquet mini game location. And now in the new update, if you want to go to the location, you can use the teleport point. It makes you get easier in going to the florist minigame location right here. You just need to scroll all the way to the right and you're going to teleport to there. And it will bring you to the florist minigame location. And when you arrive here, you can start the game and you're going to follow the order. For now, I need the white flower, pink wrap, pink ribbon, and this card or sticker, and click on done and it will refresh. And now I need the pink flower, pink wrap, and blue ribbon, the sticker. Done. Just repeat the step, but you need to be really fast. And now I need the blue flower, pink wrap, a blue ribbon, and the sticker. Done. And then white flower, pink wrap, this ribbon and the sticker. Done. And then the purple one, green, oops, and pink ribbon and the sticker. Done. Okay, just repeat these steps guys until you get the rewards or the taiyaki coins. Oh, I got wrong. Oh, okay, I got two. Sorry, I got the 25 taiyaki coins. And okay guys, that's how you can play the flower bouquet mini game, or that's how you can arrange the flower bouquet in Trust and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.